Hello, I'm Mark Phillipson, and I'm out here at the Panama City Farmers Market, one of the nicer farmers market you can ever go to. If you haven't been here, come walk around. There's a lot of food, some items you can buy and sell. It's a great little place here. But they wanted me to talk about what I do here. I'm a amateur woodworker, emphasis on amateur. I've had opportunity to retire, so I've gone into making some items here to keep busy and have a hobby that actually makes a little money. So it's been kind of nice thing to do here. Like I say, you folks are interested in items like this, as I'm out here regularly here at the Farmers Market in Panama City. I also I just work out of the garage, so I also do some amateur workout. So 309-333-9023, and I do take some orders and do that kind of thing.